Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to project 2D road outlines onto a 3D ground mesh in SketchUp. If you don't know how to download 2D road or your 3D terrain, just go to TopoExport.com, the link is in the description. Now let's go back to SketchUp. First, make sure your 3D terrain is already exploded. Then use the extrude tool to intersect the roads with the terrain. Repeat this step to each road you want to project onto the ground. Next, select everything, the terrain and the roads. Right-click and choose Intersect Faces with selection. SketchUp may take a few seconds depending on the complexity of the model. Now, you can delete the extra geometry. And that's it, your 2D roads are now projected onto the 3D terrain. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe for more SketchUp tutorials.